Today's topic is three-tier data warehouse architecture. As the diagram shows, it is having a three tiers. The bottom tier is a database warehouse server. That is almost always the relational database system. Here the backend tools and utilities are used to feed the data into uh, the bottom tier from the operational database as well as other external sources. And these tools and utilities also perform the data cleaning and extraction as well as load and refresh function to update the data warehouse. This tier also contains the metadata repository. This is the metadata repository. What is the function of this metadata repository? It stores the information about the data warehouse and its contents. Okay, so this is the bottom tier data warehouse server. Then the middle tier is the OLAP server. Okay, so it is typically implemented in either ROLAP or MOLAP. So what is ROLAP? ROLAP is the relational OLAP model. Okay, so that is the extended relational DBMS that maps the operation on multi-dimensional data to standard relational operations. And the multi-dimensional MOLAP means it is a special purpose server that directly implements the multi-dimensional data and operations. Okay, so this is the ROLAP and MOLAP, relational OLAP and multi-dimensional OLAP. Multi-dimensional means we can view the data in the form of data cube and we can perform the OLAP operations on that OLAP service. Okay, then the top tier is, this is the top tier where there is a query report analysis, data mining tools are used. So the top tier is a front end client layer which contains a query and reporting and analysis tool or data mining tools. So we can give the result to the user by using these front end tools. Means we can give the result in the form of query and reporting. We can give in the form of charts also, and we can give in the form of data mining tools. Okay, so this is a three-tier architecture where the bottom tier is the data warehouse server, middle tier is the OLAP servers. That OLAP server may be a MOLAP or ROLAP, and the front tier is that is also called as the top tier, which is the query and reporting tools.